Okay, so this is just a camera that I could find lying around. With your boy Matty, we're setting up the office. A quick sushi break. What you got there? What flavor is it?
Chopped chicken.
Heck yeah.
Some mayo.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Loving it. Setting up the office. We'll do an office tour pretty soon. But here's a quick sneak peek of our office. That's all you're getting, I guess, for now. But yeah, very exhausting. It's our third day, and we're gonna see some exciting stuff happen. So stay tuned. And yeah. Oh, pretty late at night, but we just gotta keep it pushing. That's what we gotta do. Gotta keep on pushing. Let's go, baby. Phone's ringing. Gotta go ahead and get it.
Is it Japan? Is it 39 gram of sugar? You like? I like. You like? Yes, I like.
This, say something, Vinny?
Hey mate, how you going? Today we're going to talk about power tools. What do you got here? Right here is a Black & Decker power tool.
Alright, so today we're joined by our boy, our cameraman. That's right, D over here, helping us out with the setup. Pretty crazy.
I'm over here.
And your boy, what's good? What's good?
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Tell us about your day, what you've done. So we're pretty much buying all these stuff for the office. Pretty much getting everything well set up for the rooms. You know, making dreams come true, you know?
Making dreams come true.
Yeah,
What did you get today?
so what we did was we got some of the boards, got some of the sticky tape to stick the sound editing on the wall. I got some light bulbs, some lamps, and some other shades. Yeah, pretty good.
So you've been putting in all these soundboards.
Bro, soundboards, bro.
Look at all this effort. Look at all that paper on the ground and all these wires. Speaking of someone who's a little bit wired,
This is the
Yours
perfect producer's chair.
also, what are you gonna go pick up right now?
I'm gonna go pick up the. I'm waiting for the text message back.
The transportation.
The in-house.
In-house transportation.
In-house.
Yeah, in-house transportation.
We'll wait till the next
The reveal.
reveal.
Yeah.
Also,
We'll do it,
I'm just
we'll
gonna
do
say
it.
to anyone who actually watches this video,
Power tool.
I think the office is about 50 square meters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably about 10 meters from one side to the other. But apparently,
It's too far to walk.
it's too far to walk.
Exactly.
Too far.
So that's what happens when you're an influencer.
That's what happens when you're wired as hell, like this room.
Through the wire, riding on the wall.
Oh.
So this is a semi lookout of the room. I've only got like when I came in. Damn, what are those?
Power tool.
Okay, so we have the Google Nest Mini that we set up, so we're getting a bit of tunes in the house. This is day 4. This is the YouTube studio that I am kind of putting together right now. And watch this. Hey Google, turn on podcast studio.
Power tool.
That was an epic fail. Oh, there we go. Finally, all those 5 lights coming on at once. What's up? Hey Google, turn off podcast studio. Hey Google, turn off podcast studio. There we go, bang! We got it to work. The inside, the soundproofing is almost finished. Maddie's always helping us out, hard at work of course. Smashing it. Looking super sick in here. I'm just doing a bit of a clean up. And, oh, it's a lot of work, but it's fun. The very artistic direction by Maddie.
Yeah, bro. Always gotta do hard work, bro.
That's
hard
it.
Work, hard work.
Oh, those things fell off. Oh, we gotta patch that back up again.
Yeah, I'll probably put some in the middle.
Yeah.
Because some of the tops, like, because the weight is so heavy, so it's like just falls out.
Okay, so this is the podcast studio. All right, we've got those back auxiliary lights, and we've got this side, which is kind of clean and just basically just the wall of panels like so, which is nice with a door out there. This side over here, we've got the 3 panels with the middle one being the tallest and the widest, and then the cushions to actually absorb some sound on this side as well. And of course, over here is basically a wall that is just fully covered in those soundproofing pads. Gee, that was hard to put up, and we also don't want to leave a mark on the wall, so that's why we use all those strips. And we've got literally 3 of these pieces left, and this is this is the room and the mess that it is in right now. Look at all those strips that we had to peel back. Crazy, just crazy. Actually, pretend you didn't see that. The ground's a little bit uneven, so trying to make this structure all go up even, we have to put that section in there. Yeah, there's rubbish and things everywhere. We just got to tidy everything up. Yesterday we put up these 2 lights on the ceiling so that it can shine towards the bottom. Lights are fully controllable, so you know, if we go just a bit darker, a bit more cinematic there, blue, slightly whiter light, slightly warmer light there, a bit too dark, but there we go. See, this is the lighting that the setup that we have. We just got to feed also these wires from the lights up here, those lines up there, feed it down the line and then integrate it with the smart lights, and that should be good to go. So that's the progress of the podcasting room. Obviously it's going to be a very exciting room once it's all done up, and I hope that a lot of interesting podcasts can be recorded in this room. Let's go. Yeah, come scoot closer to right in front of this camera. Alright, so the studio is slowly coming together. We have this front area where people can sit on the couch, and this giant white wall is going to turn into a screen. Got myself a projector for that as well already, which is great. Coming down the line, we've got a kitchen, which is very versatile and easy to use. We've got the podcast studio, not the podcast, the YouTube studio happening right there. All my review stuff and tech happening all over out there as well, of course. Jumping into the podcast studio, I'll say, hey Google, turn on the podcast studio. When it wants to.
Pow 2.
It's still loading. There we go. Bang. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Alright, you guys have seen me in here. There we go. Okay, 6 podcast studio. Some of the angles, I think this is more of the angle that most people would have. So yeah, there we have it, guys. This is the many weeks of hard work finally come to fruition, and it's really exciting. Yeah, so really looking forward to all the great content that we'll be able to produce out of here. There are more exciting things to be added to this space, and other people that are going to be coming and enjoying this space as well. So stay tuned, guys, and until then, I'm going to watch some Office. Let's go.